peeps, welcome to another video with me and my daddy, and today we have built a box fort. We actually built it over the last 2 days, and doesn't it look pretty cool? I was inspired by Papa Jake to do this. So I'm showing you the outside, and the inside is cooler than the outside, okay? So now we're gonna show you guys the inside. So you just come into here, this little porch. I'll add some lighting. I'll make it a little bit brighter on the video so you can see that you have this little like porch thing. So then you can come inside the fort and there's this fan here. You could turn it on settings, like you could turn it on the low, medium, and high. And this is meant to be the air conditioner. Yeah, look at my pant leg. It's actually a running fan. And also, I also have this charger here. So I have my phone here. I'm going to show you that the charger actually works. So if I will just charge it, then wait, okay, it's way too bright. You can see 78% in charging. So that is cool. So now we have some tape and some scissors to do some repairs and stuff. And you can probably do a 24-hour challenge in this, which is cool because there's so much room that you can put snacks and drinks in here. So, and also you have little windows here. I made very, very tiny, some very, very tiny windows right here. Yep, there. So you can see outside. So that's basically all we have for the box fort. And now here is the porch area. Now here is the porch area. So you also have the door. You can lock the door. Wait, I forgot to show you how to lock the door. Okay, so let's go back into the box fort. Now I'm going to show you how to lock the door. So what you do with the door is you put it behind this area, and then there's this little piece of tape. What you do is you will tape it. And now I have a little flap here, so when you want to unlock it, you can unlock it. And then you take this, you pull it back out, and then you can go up. And also on the door, there is a handle that I made from complete cardboard. And then here is the porch area, which is how you get out. So that's all you have for the box fort. And by the way, the porch has air conditioning too. So now just a quick little overview of the outside again. Okay, so thank you all peeps. Wait, if you want me to do some more box fort videos, then smash a like. We need to get 10 likes within the first week for us to make more box fort videos. So thank you all peeps for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye. Oh yeah, and I also have this little flyers thing I drew. My cousin, which is and she drew this with temporary tattoo markers. Okay, bye.